Salam everyone, hello and welcome. This is Aya. In today's video we're going to assemble this beautiful die. This is from my creative time and it's called Heart Mug Die. So let's put it together. So I chose this design paper from Kaiser Craft. Of course you can use whatever you want. You can even use design paper or regular cardstock. And you know what, I will do it with two examples and I'll show you how to make highlights and make the color and depth when you use the color cardstock. So let's choose the paper. I am a huge fan of, design mug anyway. When we go to Marshall and start, which mug shall I buy? And I don't need. Okay, and maybe the floral one. Ooh, okay, so maybe I will go with this one. So this is for the mug, and inside the cocoa, coffee, tea, whatever, so you can play around. If there is here, light brown or something. Nope. Okay, so maybe I can use this cardstock and it matches perfectly. So now let me go die cut it and I will show you now. Okay, so here this is how it looks after I cut the mug. Okay, then this is the hot cocoa, and can you see these XOXO? Nice. So now I'm going to distress the edges, and I'm going to use distress inks. You can use any kind of ink. So I want it to be raised up. Okay, now also this is the heart. So you can, I'm sorry it's too bright outside. Okay, let me zoom. So you can put this heart, or I did this bow. So cute. And the die I use this one. It's a fun size hard bow die, and it has, so this is the layering, and this is the bow, and this is the small heart, and I distressed the edges and I used spun sugar. Of course you can use whatever ink, and it depends on the papers. As I say, when you distress the edges of any paper, you feel depth in your die cut anyway. So I can add on top of it, or maybe I will. That's so cute. Okay, so before that I'm going to distress the edges of this one also of my mug. And I layered it using foam square, so I'm gonna use the same, or can use yes, this one. So also I have these extra pieces, and as they are. So you can add them here. Like this. And now I'm gonna do my panel, and I'm going to choose this one. I die cut a panel, and now I have, my coffee mug, so cute. Okay, so if I were gonna leave it like this, I think I would choose like a big envelope, but I can make it, yeah, maybe this way. And now let me stamp my sentiments. Now I'm gonna stamp my sentiments, and I think I will go with, because I have, you know, what do you call it, a small space, maybe something special for you. Okay, so I put it here. Let me grab my ink. Jelly roll size 10 to make highlight for my coffee. Try to go be slowly so I can, you know, move the roll itself. Okay, I can also give more highlights here. Maybe it will not be clear, but it's there. This should be this step should be you know, done before, you know, I glue everything together. This is a little bit tricky. Anyway, so yeah, as you see, you can add, if you want, extra embellishments, and use your Wink of Stella glitter pen, you know. And so here I have my card, and let me show you another example. So I have also this die, same, but the thing here that I just double up, you know, the die cut. So instead of cutting one heart, so I die cut like multiple hearts, like I think 3 or 4. Then I lay them together. If you don't want to use your foam tape, same goes, you know, with the handle, you know, on the edge of the mug. And I stamped my sentiment, I love you, and I used my creative time, the stencil called Be Mine. I said, I love you. Yeah, it's here. That's it. Then, you know, I have my panel to stretch the edges for everything, and now we have 2 beautiful easy card for, you know, coffee lover, tea lover, because you can darken this and, you know, choose any color, green tea, black tea, whatever. Okay, so in the end, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it and get inspired. And when you create any project, please share it with us with hashtag #MyCreativeTime. Again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.